Hey there, small business warriors. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my top 5 tips on how to start and grow your small business. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale up, these tips are going to be game changers. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1, know your why. Before you even think about products, services, or marketing, you've got to understand why you're doing this. Your why is the driving force behind everything. It'll keep you motivated on those tough days and help you connect with your customers on a deeper level. So, take some time to reflect on your purpose and make sure it's strong and clear. Tip number 2, do your market research. You can't sell if you don't know who you're selling to. Research your target market thoroughly. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This will help you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies to meet their specific demands. Remember, knowledge is power. Tip number 3, build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Create a professional website, engage on social media, and consider starting a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable content. This not only helps you reach a wider audience, but also establishes your authority in your niche. Tip number 4, focus on customer experience. Happy customers are your best marketers. Provide exceptional customer service, listen to feedback, and always strive to exceed expectations. When your customers feel valued and satisfied, they're more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your business. And finally, tip number 5, never stop learning. The business world is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies. Invest in your personal and professional growth by attending workshops, reading books, and networking with other entrepreneurs. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. All right, there you have it. My top 5 tips for starting and growing your small business. Remember, building a successful business takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can make it happen. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.